Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Relevanssi in WordPress. First, you'll need to install the Relevanssi plugin directly from your WordPress dashboard. Once installed, activate it to enable its powerful search capabilities. Then, head over to the Relevanssi settings page, usually found under Settings or Tools. The very first step there is to build your initial search index, which typically takes just a few moments depending on your site's size. This ensures all your content is ready for enhanced searching. Now, let's dive into configuring your search settings for optimal performance. You can precisely control what Relevanssi indexes, choosing to include or exclude posts, pages, and even custom post types. It's wise to exclude drafts or private content from the public search. Consider enabling partial word matching, which can significantly broaden search results for your users. You can also assign different weights to titles, content, and comments, making titles, for example, 2 times more important than body text. Relevanssi offers several advanced features to truly elevate your site's search experience. One popular option is keyword highlighting, which visually emphasizes search terms within results. You can also enable Did You Mean suggestions, helping users correct common typos and find what they are looking for more easily. Crafting custom excerpts provides more relevant previews in the search results page. Furthermore, Relevanssi integrates seamlessly with many popular SEO plugins, ensuring your search remains optimized across the board. Finally, maintaining your search index is crucial for long-term accuracy and performance. As you add new content, remember to rebuild your index periodically to include it. For larger sites, scheduling automatic index updates, perhaps once every 24 hours, is highly recommended. Regularly monitoring search queries can provide valuable insights into what your users are seeking. Also, ensure your database is optimized. A well-maintained database contributes significantly to faster and more efficient search results for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.